Hey everyone, welcome back to Jumping Bean Tech, your spot for smart and latest tech gear that makes life easier. A few months ago, I reviewed the Musso H80 Pro, one of the best ergonomic chair in the market, and it quickly became my go-to for work, editing, even a bit of leisure time. And in this video, we're checking out the brand new Musso X700 Ergonomic chair, and this isn't just a minor refresh, it's a real upgrade. The X700 introduces smarter adjustability, more precision lumbar tuning, and overall a more refined ergonomic system. But before we dive into those features, let's start with the unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the X700 comes with a detailed installation and features guide, which is a typical Musso style. The first thing you'll notice is the redesigned backrest, made with breathable mesh and a newly shaped lumbar support system. The frame feels solid and premium with a sleek, matte graphite finish that gives it a clean, high-end look. Next up out of the box, the 360-degree armrests. You'll notice right away they now come with extra padding which feels soft and comfortable without being too squishy, perfect for long hours of work or play. Next in the box is the headrest, which matches the backrest with the same breathable mesh material and a clean Musso logo right in the center, subtle but a nice branding touch. Then there's the seat base, also covered in that same airy mesh material which helps with airflow during long sessions. And attached to the seat is the footrest now with a newly refined design. It has added padding right where your feet rest, which is a nice upgrade. Lastly, the box includes all the other essential parts like the gas lift, wheels, the 5-legged wheelbase, and all the tools you'll need to put the chair together. Assembly was pretty straightforward, took me about 15 to 20 minutes on my own, and everything you need is included in the box. You start by assembling the wheelbase with the legs, then attach the armrest to the seat base. After that, the backrest slides into place and locks in securely. Once that's done, just pop the wheelbase onto the gas lift, and the final step is attaching the headrest. And this part can be a bit tricky. Lining it up just right takes a little patience, and you might find it easier with a second pair of hands. But once it clicks into place, it feels solid and well supported. Overall, it's a quick and hassle-free setup, and once it's fully assembled, the X700 really comes together as a sleek, refined chair. Now that it's all set up, let's take a closer look at what really sets the X700 apart. First up, we've got BackTrack Adjust, a full backrest height control system. You can raise or lower the back in 5 levels to match your torso and spine. Whether you're tall or shorter, this makes a big difference for keeping your back and lumbar areas supported. Next is LumAlign, the vertical lumbar slider. This lets you shift the lumbar support up or down so it aligns with your lower spine's natural curve. Once dialed in, it keeps your entire lumbar region in contact. Everything lines up just right, no awkward gaps, no uncomfortable pressure, just seamless support throughout. And then comes the TensionTune Dial. This rear dial lets you increase or reduce the lumbar tension from light touch to deep pressure. You basically get to choose how strong the support feels, whether you're relaxing or sitting upright for work. For reclining, the SyncTilt lock control gives you full flexibility. You can lean back freely or lock in your preferred angle. What really takes it up a notch is the GlideTrack dynamic lumbar support, one of my favorite new features of X700. Unlike static systems, this lumbar support actually moves with you as you recline, gliding along your spine to provide continuous, uninterrupted support at every angle. Now let's talk about the headrest. The 4D dual-axis adjustable headrest lets you customize both height and angle so it fits right at the base of your head and neck. You can slide it up or down to match your height, then tilt it forward or back to support your natural head position. Whether you're sitting upright, leaning slightly back, or fully reclined, the headrest adjusts to stay supportive, reducing neck tension and encouraging proper posture all day. The 360-degree armrests are another standout, and these are seriously versatile. First, you can easily adjust the armrest height using the lever on the back. It clicks into multiple levels, so you can dial in your ideal position whether you're working or relaxing. But the real standout is the full 360-degree movement. You can slide them forward or back, rotate them or angle them inward to match your natural arm posture. And when it's time to switch into leisure mode, the integrated retractable footrest slides out effortlessly to give your legs a well-deserved break. With added padding and a smooth glide mechanism, it's perfect for stretching out and recharging between work sessions or while gaming. And rounding it all out, the X700 delivers full spectrum adjustability, starting with seat height, which you can easily adjust using the side lever to find that perfect ergonomic level for your desk or monitor setup. You can also fine-tune the seat depth, giving you more or less thigh support depending on your leg length, a small detail that makes a big difference over long sessions. And with the recline lock lever, you can set your preferred recline angle from upright to a full lean and lock it in place so the chair moves with you when you want it to or stays fixed when you need stability. Altogether, it adds up to a highly customizable sitting experience that adapts to your posture, your workflow, and your body. And when it's time to unwind, just lean back, let the GlideTrack DM lumbar system support your spine, extend the footrest, and switch into full leisure mode. Perfect for kicking back with your favorite music or diving into a long gaming session in total comfort. That's my take on Musso X700. If you're ready to upgrade your setup, check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comments which feature you like the most.